note taker using Python. And before that, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also. Let's start writing the code. I'm going to open my code editor and we will use Microsoft Visual Studio Code. In this video, we are using only one module, which is PIL. PIL stands for Python Image Library. PIL is not a built-in module. We have to install this module by writing pip install pillow. Let's import a function named ImageGrab from PIL. After that, we will assign a variable named screenshot. In this variable, we will use PIL module. Let's type imagegrab.grab, then parentheses to call this function. Now in new line, we will type screenshot.save, then parentheses to save this screenshot. And in these parentheses, we will type our file's name. After typing file name, we will type its file format. You can do it JPG or PNG. I will do it PNG. Now let's run this program. Okay, so as you can see, we got the screenshot. If you want to open this screenshot instantly after running this program, then type screenshot.show, then parentheses to call this function. Let's run this program. Okay, so as you can see, we opened our screenshot in our default image viewer. So friends, I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also. And please like, share, comment on this video. Thank you.